Netflix is back! Behind Her Eyes stars Simone Brown, Eve Hewson, and Tom Bateman as leading characters, and it's a story of a mother who gets embroiled in a web of deception and lies with a couple who has some issues to work through. Boy, was this series a surprise. It wouldn't even show up on my radar if it wasn't for the Instagram poll that I did, but I'm so glad that happened. Eve Hewson's performance as Adele was the show stealer, hands down, and I guess everyone will agree to that. The character itself is so enticing and haunting and sinister at the same time, and she does such an amazing job at portraying it. The rest of the cast too plays their roles perfectly. Simone Brown as Louise was excellent in her acting as a single mother who wants to break free of a mundane routine, and Tom Bateman as Dr. David, who played the role of a troubled husband perfectly. Alright, so I know the first episode is a slow burn and you'll really think about binging it after the episode ends, but trust me, if you'll go along with the ride, you like what you see. Honestly speaking, I did find Louise a bit irritating. I mean, don't come at me in the comment section. I know she played her role perfectly, and I don't mean to disrespect the actor. I'm just saying that she made some choices, her character made some choices in the show that any sane person wouldn't. I mean, I get it, that's life. You make choices and then you cry about it, and that's what Louise did. But it was still very very irritating at point. These are just small gripes that I have about the show, like when there was a major plot point introduced in the show, like it played a major part in the show and in the end as well. I thought to myself, do you really want to go down this path? I mean, the show was working perfectly. Do you really want to take that step? But when that ending happened and everything paid off, I admitted that I was wrong, and I couldn't predict that ending from miles away. I heard that this ended the show a bit differently than the book it was based on, and it really shows. I mean, there are a lot of unanswered questions in the end that I really hope would be answered in this season itself. Maybe they were leaving it up for interpretation, or maybe it was just poor writing. I don't know. I saw it trending a couple of days back on Netflix, and if it performs well, I'm sure the studio will bag the opportunity of creating another season for it. And honestly speaking, I really want another season to happen. I want answer to those questions after that ending. This show does have my attention. All I'm saying is, when you get to the end of the show, I'm sure it will remind you of that movie directed by Jordan Peele called Us. I don't know if you ever saw it, but it will definitely remind you of that in some or the other manner. This series definitely does not require any extra kick of caffeine and is definitely binge worthy. I know this review is short and vague and not as detailed as I hope it would be, because I really wanted to keep it spoiler free. If you want to experience this show at its fullest potential, don't watch the trailer, don't read the plot, just go in head first and watch this show. It makes the experience so much better. So, Behind Her Eyes, have you seen it? What did you like about it? What not like about it? Comment down below and let me know. And what is the most unexpected Netflix show that you never thought you would like but you did like it? Let me know in the comment sections as well, and I'll see you next time.